Good morning. I'm Savannah Welch here with your Sunday morning forecast. Overall, a gray start for much of Puget Sound, seeing those clouds lingering over downtown Seattle, keeping temperatures relatively cool, 61 degrees. We'll continue to warm into the low 70s, upper 60s for much of the rest of today in Seattle. That's really the case for a lot of Puget Sound. Also seeing a lot of clouds, a lot of fog out there through much of Washington. Starting to see some clearing though. Hurricane Ridge seeing some blue skies, but Mount Rainier not seeing much of anything in the mountains, and the possibility for thunderstorms is greater today. So if you are headed up to the mountains, just know that that is a possibility, along with some scattered showers. We're still seeing some of that convection that we saw yesterday with those thunderstorm potentials that's still lingering into today. Satellite and radar showing some of that activity, especially in eastern Washington. That's where we've seen most of those lightning strikes, and that possibility continues into tomorrow as well, with more instability in the area. The good news though, much of the smoke and haze we've seen over the last couple of days is expected to clear out today. Then some showers lingering, isolated thunderstorms mainly in the mountains, and then cooler and cloudy as we really start to get into the next work week, with some more instability happening towards the beginning of the week, and then we start to dry out with some upper level ridging. That happens midweek through the rest of the work week. Our first alert 7-day forecast showing that dip in temperature, where it looks like Tuesday is expected to be the coolest day of the next 7 days. Then temperatures go right back up. That's what the forecast calls for Wednesday to Friday as we dry out and warm up. Our high temperatures for our 7 to 11 day forecast, pretty seasonably normal, mainly hovering around 70 degrees. So that's what you can expect for the next 7 to 11 days. Today, the 49ers and Seahawks battle it out at Lumen Field, and temperatures are nice and mild. The possibility, though, is still there for some showers. So what you need to know is there is a slight rain chance, especially towards the beginning of the game, so you'll want to bring a jacket if you can. Halftime looks to be pretty cloudy, so we'll still see those clouds lingering through much of the game, but temperatures should be nice and comfortable. The possibility for rain is still there tomorrow as well. So today into tomorrow, mainly clouds with some possible showers, especially towards the morning and early afternoon. Really, we start to see that those widespread clouds really continue to take hold Monday into Tuesday. Tuesday looks to be the greatest chance for more widespread rain. So we start to see some of that rain and that precipitation come back into our area Monday. Then Tuesday, that chance even increases even more with all of that rain on satellite and radar. You can see through much of the eastern portions of Puget Sound. So Tuesday looks to be fairly wet, more wet than really the last couple of days, and what we're expecting towards the middle to end of the week, with that upper level ridging keeping temperatures more mild and elevated though compared to the beginning of the week, and that also dries us out some. So in summary, the next 7 days, kind of a transitionary period as we start to reach the end of summer and then start to head into fall, with more clouds, more rain, and more shower activity happening, with thunderstorms for the next 48 hours or so. So Sunday to Tuesday, really starting to see that increase and then decline in temperatures. And then we start to warm right back up with partly sunny skies and some showers as well Thursday to Friday, but starting to really clear out as we reach the end of the week and then next weekend, with some fog also in there. But overall temperatures should be sticking around the low to mid 70s for those highs for the rest of the week.